So we've seen that firmus in Latin means strong or solid, and that makes the meaning of words like this fairly easy to work out. Firm, affirm, you strengthen someone's statement. Confirm, you again strengthen an idea. And infirm, not strong. And you can add suffixes to those: firmness, affirmative, confirming, infirmary. Now, in all of those cases, they keep that sound, which is this. But that's only because that syllable in those words is stressed. Firmness, affirmative, confirming, infirmary. If you have words instead like affirmation and confirmation, it's the same Latin base, but this time it's affirmation and confirmation, our old friend the schwa. But the question then becomes, as far as spelling goes, how do we determine whether it's firm or form? Because they're pronounced the same way: confirmation, information. Well, more on that in just a moment.